guys, it's Princess Chari back with another video. So we're on the way to the gun range because that's what we're doing today. I'm hella scared. I don't want to do it, but like it's time. So, you know, if you want to see me freak out, because you know I'm gonna go through my process. If you want to hear all this and see this, you know, stay tuned because I'm gonna learn how to shoot a gun today. Period. So we finally got here. We're like right by the freeway. Yeah, we're like right by the freeway. Sorry, my camera was dirty. So we're right by the freeway. We checked in and everything. And I got my glasses and my ear covers. My glasses low-key can't go all the way up because my eyelashes are so big. I didn't think of that because, you know, first time. So I didn't know. But, you know, for next time, I won't do that. But yeah, I'm really nervous. I got like a pink Target. It's cute. I know it's not about being cute, but like everything I have to do is cute. So whatever. But yeah, I'm with a group of people. We can only go two at a time. So they're in right now, and then me and Johnny will go next, and it'll be super lit. I'm hella excited. Stay tuned. I'm here, and I'm terrified. I'm about to start. That's my target. And yeah. Ooh. Like this?
Yeah, okay. Put your foot shoulder width apart. Okay, so where your toes are pointing is where your body is going to point. So make sure your toes are pointing straight at the target.
What?
Your toes are pointing straight at the target. That's where your body is. Now, line up the sights. You see what I'm talking about? All three dots are parallel. You see that? Yeah. Okay, gently squeeze the trigger. It's not going to fire. It's a dummy round. Gently squeeze the trigger. See that? Let it go. Okay, relax. Look down the sights. Make sure the sights are lined up. Aim for the number 10 in the middle, the bullseye. And breathe. Hold your breath before you shoot.
Shit.
So what you have to do is hold it.
I gotta put it down for a second.
You gotta hold it a little tighter.
That scared the shit out of me. Woo, my hands are sweaty.
Yeah, because you're nervous.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I got the first one. I got 8, 7.
So you hit a 7. All right.
That's still deadly, right?
That's good because that's a hit in the body. The target is the size of an average size male.
Okay.
So if you hit anything in there, that means you hit the guy, the person.
A little bit stronger. Don't anticipate. Don't anticipate. Take your time. Don't jump. Take a nice deep breath. Don't anticipate the beat. Nice easy squeeze and just let it happen. Take a deep breath. You're in control of the gun, not the other way around. Deep breath. There you go. Take your time. Line your sights up. Smooth, easy pull. There's no rush. Nicely done. Keep going. fancy, y'all. She got the laser going on. Let's see if she can get what she aiming at.
Get that right. Okay. Use that.
Nice.
Let's see if you can do it two more times.
Good job. Whatever that laser is on is what you're gonna hit.
Do it! Just do it! Alright, y'all, so that concludes this video. I just washed my hands. You have to wash your hands at the end. I don't think I did that bad. Them glasses messed my lashes up. They are not even in cute anymore, but whatever. I'm just gonna look retarded. It's okay. Period. Because I'm still cute. Anywho, yeah, that concludes the last of this. I didn't do too bad. I'll show you some little clips of the video. I mean, of the, what's it called? The targets. So I'll insert those. But yeah, I mean, if you like my hat, my my necklace, and my shirt, please be sure to go back and watch my Shein haul. I got like over 25 items of things from Shein, and did like a review and a try on and everything. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Deuces.